Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video we are going to unbox and review this very popular Kasa by TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini. This is a 2-pack. I think I got it really cheap. I think it was $15 on Amazon during Black Friday. Let me see how much it is right now. Okay, so it looks like it is still $15 for a set of 2 at Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description. So $7.50 each for a smart switch with an LED that is controllable by Alexa. That is a very good deal. Yeah, so I'm going to go through the unboxing, review, how to use it, apps, and give my personal opinion on this video. Alright, so first we're going to open it up and see what's inside. We have the instruction where to download the app. It works on iOS and Android. We have the plug itself here. This does not look like it's waterproof, but it is solid enough that I would say is, yeah, I don't want to say outdoor, but I would say a little bit of splash or humidity probably should be fine, because the design is pretty all solidly enclosed. Alright, so we have one plug here where you can put your load on, and we have a switch here, and it's pretty tactile, pretty easy to press, very nice, and nicely made. It has MAC address here because it's Wi-Fi, obviously, and it has rating 15 amp, maximum capacity is 15 amp. This is model HS103. There's nothing else in the box, just 2 switches, downloadable, brochure, kind of like where to download it, and looks like the instruction of how to use it is right here. Get the Casa Smart App from the App Store or Google Play. Tap the plus button, which is this thing right. Tap button in the app and select Smart Plug Mini Light Series. Follow the app instruction and setup. And there's a QR code here. Okay, before we start installing the app, I just want to plug it into this kilowatt meter to find out how much this is consuming by itself without any load on it. So right now, just being plugged in is consuming 1.2 watts. So just continuously 1.2 watts no matter what. And I pressed the button and it went down to 0.6, 0.7. Press it again, it went to 1.3, 1.1. 0.9. Interesting. Alright, so I'm going to plug in another one on top of it, see if it actually doubles. It should. It doesn't. I don't know what's going on. It actually... Okay, you know what? Maybe it's off, that's why. So let me turn it on. Oh yeah, it went to 2.4, 2.5. So each one of these is consuming about 1.1, 1.2 watts during idle, when it's not doing anything. Next, we're going to download the Casa Smart App from my phone and open it. Okay, so we're going to open the app. Okay, allow to the local network. Let me give the permission for the local network first. Next, you have to sign up for a Kasa account. Once you finish the app installation process, give it the permission, if you like to, for your location, access to, well, you have to give it access to local network, verify your email, etc. Then you'll be logged into something like this. So I have no devices yet, and we're going to follow the instruction by pressing the plus and letting it detect. So we're going to add a device, and we're going to choose smart plugs, and this is the KP HS103, but let me see if it's actually here. HS103, this one right here. Click next. Plug in your Casa, check your Wi-Fi condition. Okay. Check the Wi-Fi light. Turn off the, it's looks like it's blue and orange. So press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi light's blue and orange. It is blue and orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now it's blinking faster, blue and orange. I'll click next. Connect to your smart plug. Okay. So I'm gonna go to my Wi-Fi and settings. Wi-Fi. So it's connecting to there. So I guess the pressing for 5 seconds activates the discovery for the SSID, so that you can actually connect to it to from your phone or laptop, etc. Well, from your phone, because the app needs to connect to it. All right, so after we're connected, we go back to here and let's see if it's detects it. There you go. So it detects it, and we just need to log in to my Wi-Fi. All right, I put in the password. We're going to start connecting to it. It looks like it only detects 2.4 gigahertz because I have both 2.4, 5.0 gigahertz, Wi-Fi 6 also, and it didn't detect any of that. So now the light is just blue. It's not blinking orange anymore. And then it's telling me to give it a name. I would just say test 1. Safe. All right, and then ask me to choose an icon. Congratulations, you have configured smart plug and it's ready for use. All right, sounds good. Okay, looks like it's on, and I can toggle it. Okay, looks like when it's on, I don't know which one is it. So you can turn it on and off using this switch here, or you can use your app, and it's very fast actually. So I'm gonna put a device on it and then see how it works. Okay, so it looks like when the light is blue, is actually on, and it's off when it's off. And so I'm gonna switch it also from my app. There you go, on, off, on, off. It's pretty fast. I would say it's half a second delay. And it's not that loud. The relay, you can definitely hear it, but it's not very loud. Okay, so it's pretty good for $7.50. I mean, Can't really go wrong with this particular product. I like it. It's simple. The only thing I don't like about this is the fact that it draws 1 point something amp when it's not being used. So let me turn it off real quick, and let's see again to see how much amp. I'm sorry, how many watts, not amps. All right, so right now it's actually pretty low. So it's on standby. It's half a watt, 0.6. Turning it on, obviously I have a load from this light. Let's turn it off again. Yeah, so I guess when it is not paired yet to your Wi-Fi, it is about 1.2, but when it's paired, it's about half of that. So it's about 0.5 or 0.6 watts on standby. Not bad, I guess. Okay, well, thank you for watching. This concludes this particular video. If you like to buy the Kasa, please use my link in the description and the first comment. I would appreciate it. It helps support this channel, and so I can make more videos. Again, much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.